So to grade practice, the reading practice of exam 5, I linked two links on here. One of them is an explanation of all of the answers, and the other is just the rubric. So you have to scroll through. These are all your like subsections, which is interesting if you ever have any extra time, you want to learn a little bit more about your scores. But if you just go to here where it says reading test answers, you should be able to kind of go through your book or your Google Forms and see, okay, how did I mark these? Which ones did I get wrong, and then what my total score is out of 52, right? So we answered 52 questions over the last couple weeks. Let's say you got 47 right, right? You got 47 right. You go to this raw score conversion table, and we're looking at the reading test score. So this is always the column you're going to stay with, or this one, right? Reading test score. We don't care about math. We don't care about writing and language for now. It's just the reading test score. So you go to your raw score, which is your number of correct answers. And you can think about your raw score as just sort of just the number you got right. So we said we got 48 right. We would go over here and see, okay, so that means I got a 360, right? We see a 36 times 10 is a 360 out of a total of 400. So that's pretty good. And that's it. So that's kind of how you can score your reading section. And if you want to, you can go back and compare it to your other ones and see how did I do any better now that we like kind of slowed down, we went passage by passage. Usually you do them all at once. So hopefully your score would be a little bit higher in this one than it would normally because you probably weren't as rushed. You had the time to really focus on that passage. And I gave you more than 65 minutes when we look at each day, right? If we added up all the time that we took for each passage, it would be over 65 minutes. So hopefully you did a little bit better on this one.